This Smittybilt G.E.A.R tailgate cover in Coyote Tan is for those of you that have a 2007 and up J.K. that are looking for a way to get a little bit more organized storage inside your vehicle. That inside of the tailgate space is really an unused space, and by adding something like this, you're really gaining a lot of additional storage, and you're getting something that is very much a grab and go storage solution. The two bags that do come with this can very easily be removed, and they have some carrying straps so that they can come with you. This is going to be an excellent option for a first aid kit or really anything that you need to store. This whole kit is going to be a 2 out of 3 wrench installation. This does require you to drill some holes in your tailgate. So if you're not interested in making those drill holes, if you don't want to have somebody else do it, have to pay for that, then maybe look at some of the other storage solutions that we have. But if you're okay popping a couple of holes on the inside of the tailgate, I think this is going to be a really, really nice solution. Overall, I think that this is pretty fairly priced for what you're getting, and you're going to have a ton of flexibility here. This does come with these 2 bags, but because this uses the MOLLE or the PAL securing method, you can really attach any bag that is designed for those mounts. As for construction, this is really going to be 3 different parts. You're going to have the main piece here that you're going to screw onto the inside of the tailgate, and that's going to accept any PAL or MOLLE style storage bags. Of course, this does come with 2 bags already. This has a couple of zipper pockets. It also has a carrying strap. This one has some additional PAL or MOLLE mounting straps on the outside of it, as well as having a zipper pocket on the inside and a carrying strap. So again, these are very much grab and go setups that it comes with, but you can really add any bag or any storage solution that you want. This is built from Uv Stable Polyester. This is 600 denier polyester, so it's going to be very, very strong. It's going to hold up, it's not going to fade. This again is in the Coyote Tan color, but there are other colors available as well. To get this installed, I am going to give it a 2 out of 3 wrenches. You are going to have to drill some holes in the tailgate. Again, if you're not comfortable with that, you can always take your Jeep somewhere else and have them install it for you, or look at one of the other storage solutions that we have. To get this installed, you're going to hold it up to the inside of the tailgate, use a punch to mark all of your holes, then drill and use self-tapping screws to attach this to the inside of the tailgate. Depending on the year of your Jeep, you may want to disconnect the limiting strap for the tailgate and then reinstall that over top of this. Once you have the main section installed on the tailgate, it's really just a matter of using the snaps to attach your bags on there, and you're finished. This tailgate solution from Smittybilt comes in at $70, and I do think that's going to be a pretty good deal for the quality that you're getting here. I really like the fact that this is as flexible as it is and very much a grab and go storage solution. Like I said before, I think this is absolutely perfect for something like a first aid kit. You can really use it with a lot of other attachments, so I love the flexibility of this, and I think that it is going to be worth the cost, especially in a small interior JK, TJ, YJ that you're looking to add some additional storage to. So if you're looking to add some additional storage to the inside of your Wrangler, I definitely recommend taking a look at this G.E.A.R tailgate storage solution from Smittybilt, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.